What's up, YouTube? You see that? You see that? I'm starting this video off very slowly for you all. Now we got some nice Jamaican jerk chicken there with some macaroni and cheese and 2 pieces of sweet potatoes. You don't know. Set up this right here, so. Alright. Yep. Yep. Carefully a bit. Hear the sound there. Let the sound. Food I got shot to the people. Food I got shot. No, never can see the right sir. Alright, good. That look better. You dig. Ready? Ready up. Shh. Oh, yes. Smell good. Anyways, welcome to the channel. If you're new, your boy Tata here. I am Jamaican. If you're new, if you never know, you see me. And I'm about to devour this food. We have some lovely jerk chicken, as I said before, some potatoes. You see me? So, touch the like button, comment on the video. Wow, he does look. Well, I may have 5 more fingers. Miss one. Wow, let's get this food in my belly. First, I'm gonna start off with some potatoes. We have some baked potatoes, guys. Watch this. I know you guys want some, but oh my word. Food nice. Get up out of my plate, boy. I'm out of potatoes, guys. I need some more potatoes, y'all. I love sweet potatoes. Now them roast potatoes, I think, so that they are Jamaican roast some potato. That bad. But anyways, Bunks piece of chicken. And you can see him start already. Which, if you drop, as you can see, the seasoning, we still have the seasoning in the pots, in the plate, same way. You don't know, say, another normal thing. Chicken bad. If you never got Jamaica yet, if you haven't been to Jamaica before, you're missing out. I need a fork. Hold on, guys. You like the sound there while